What's going on, guys? I'm David Cockrell. We are out on my 17-foot Scout center console today. Just taking a little tour of Virginia Beach and the Lynnhaven River and a couple of the sights and scenes that I just love about Virginia Beach.
Today I'm going to do something that not many people tend to do on a Tuesday afternoon, and that's go on a boat ride with one of my good colleagues. Oh, he's actually coming out here. Hey, David.
What's up, Joe? Good to see you.
Good to see you, brother.
Time to get out on the water. Let's go for a quick ride.
All right, let's do it.
Environmental Center, one of the most sustainable buildings on the East Coast. Actually turns rainwater into drinking water on site. Has lots of educational rooms for high schools in the area to come have classes on, environmental science and what the Lynnhaven has to offer. They've got baby oysters on board. Looks like they've got some different tanks holding different stages of oysters. And they also do a lot of work with the Chesapeake Bay Foundation on, building up the oyster population in Lynnhaven to make it as clean as possible. Licensor Bridge was actually one of the most dangerous bridges on the East Coast. It was pretty rickety, but thankfully they've done a great job refinishing this one.
Wow, look at that. Licensor Bridge right here. We're underneath it. Start to the private beach, Chesapeake Beach area. Hey David, I gotta go pick up a kid. Can you catch a fish in let's say 5 minutes? Think you could do that?
We'll see.
All right.
They might be biting.
I mean, what's the point of going on the water unless you catch a fish or at least get some bait, right? I would cheer David on, but you're supposed to be quiet when people are fishing.
There's some. These are called bunker or menhaden, which is another keystone species of the Chesapeake Bay. All of these same bait fish I catch hundreds. Puppy drum took the bait.
Oh, you coming back?
He's not done yet.
Oh, wow.
Couple spots on it. Huge.
You get the net ready or you got it?
Got him.
There we go. Didn't even eat the bait, man.
This is a redfish or a puppy drum. Some people call them spot-tail bass.
Wow.
Got a big blue tail.
Look at that.
Beauty. This one's right in the slot would be my guess. They've got to be 18 inches to keep them. This one is 21.5 inches.
There you go.
So that one's gonna be dinner for Joe.
Oh, like this year. All good. I'm not driving. David, who's driving?